What's up, guys? My name's Danny, aka Thrift. I'm an online fashion reseller. I sell on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari, and a couple things have happened since the last time I saw you. One, I turned 30. I had a birthday, and I turned 30. Two, if you haven't noticed, I shaved my head. Pulled the ultimate quarantine move. I've been thinking about doing this for like years, so felt it was the right time to try shaving my head. So there's that. And three, and most importantly for this video, my favorite Goodwills opened. So yesterday I went out and hit them both up and got a couple things. I tried to film a thrift with me video, but I am just not very good with the filming part of that yet. I'm gonna get better, and we're gonna do a really good thrift with me video in the near future if I can get my act together with that. But hopefully you'll take this haul instead. I got about 29 pieces. I spent $211. That puts me at about like $7 per, or a little over $7 per item, which is super standard for me. But I am really excited with everything I got. So let's go ahead and start. I'm going to start with the things I got at the first store. I didn't get as much at the first store. Then I went to my favorite store after that and got a ton of stuff. So let's start with the first store. So first, let's start with a dress. I've never picked up this brand before, but I've had my eye on it. I think it can be sold at Anthropology, or is sold at Anthropology. It's the Odell's, size small, just a pretty like watercolor floral print with the like piping, that's my Google Calendar, piping detail, or yeah, high neck dress. Got a little bit of a purpley theme going on. I do not always pick up this brand. It's very few and far between, but I really like this piece. I really like this color, and it's new with tags. This is a Lulu's, and it's not a dress, you'd think, but it is a jumpsuit. It does need a steam, but it is pretty, and I think it'll do well. Has a little crossback straps, so very cute. Next was this Alice and Olivia metallic animal print skirt. It's pleated. It's tiny. I don't know what the size is, but I will measure it and put that in the listing. Another skirt, another mini skirt, which, you know, midi and maxi skirts tend to do probably better at this point, but this is C by Chloe. It is new with tags, and it is this fun like metallic-y stretch skirt, like a knit skirt. I think that's it for the clothing at the first store, but I did get a couple pairs of shoes. The first pair, I believe, is sold at Anthropology. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. No, you will not. So this is Schuler & Sons Philadelphia. It's like a leather peep toe ankle booty, and it has like this kind of canvas detail around the sides. It's really pretty. This brand does fairly well. I've sold one other pair before, so Anthropology leather boots, you can't, I wasn't gonna pass it up for a good price. This is a brand that I pick up almost any style, although this is one of the weirdest styles I've ever picked up. This is Corky's, one of my favorite brands to sell. It's just like lace up, heeled, weird chunky heel Oxford. The heel is leather, and it's almost like a wedge, but it is separated like a heel. So we'll see how this style does, but typically Corky's are awesome for me. I just picked up this really pretty, fairly new looking pair of splendid sandals with this woodblock heel. Really pretty, size 9. I thought it was 6. I was like, there's no way this is a 6. By the way, the Corky's are 9.5 and the Anthropology are 8.5. And this is a brand I've never picked up before. I quickly looked up comps in the store, but these are in good condition, and I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm not usually one to sell a lot of athletic sneakers, but these are Tree Torns. You can kind of see in there. Like I said, never sold it before, but I had remembered the name of the brand and looked it up quickly and thought I'd give it a shot. So these are cool. A bright like purple and yellow sneaker. And that's it. That's everything I got at the first store. There's a ton more. So now this is everything I got at the second store. This is my favorite store. First up is this peach Vince size 4 blouse. It's not silk, although I thought it was when I first picked it up. It's just rayon, but it feels pretty nice. I was surprised it didn't have any stains or holes. Next, I was able to get a lot of really cute plus size pieces at this store, which is great. That's something I've really been trying to focus on and do more of, is having plus size items in my closet. And it's great. So I have found this pair of Torrid pants, size 6. Just really pretty pair of floral pants with a tie waist. This was one I'm glad I saw before I left. Was just a nice soft leather vintage Coach bag. I love selling these. I find them there a lot. They don't tend to price them up too bad. This one's in pretty good condition. Not a whole lot of wear to it. So that's a good find. We'll sell a Coach bag, a vintage leather Coach bag, at the drop of a hat. Same with Dooney & Burke all weather leather. I will sell those if I can get them for the right price any day of the week. Next is Anthropology. This is Sleeping on Snow, size extra small. I'm careful with my Anthropology these days, but these little cardigans from this particular brand seem to do pretty well for me. This is a really pretty one. It's like a light pink color, dusty pink. This is also Anthropology, or can be sold in Anthropology. I'm not sure if it's always sold in Anthropology. It's stateside, size medium, just a cool little hoodie with a bell sleeve and the striped detail at the bottom. I love pieces like that, just comfortable pieces. I would wear that. Here is a size extra large ModCloth chiffon dress with the button front detail. Really pretty, obviously kind of a retro vintage-esque look they're going for. Here's another one of the awesome plus size items I was able to pick up. This is New with Tags Lane Bryant, size 28. Really gorgeous blue and white stripe, tie waist, sleeveless. I think it's a midi dress. As a short person, I tend to have a hard time figuring out if things are midi or maxi dresses because they're all just long for me. So I have to measure the dress or else I have no idea if it's midi or maxi. So that's a fun little fact for you about me. Next up, this is a brand I've actually never picked up, but I wanted to try it. This is Nick and So, size medium, just a really nice, soft, kind of flounce bottom, drapey cardigan. This is, I've never picked up this brand before. This is Elizabeth and James. It's a really pretty, dainty, delicate little silk number. It's like got the buttons in the front. I guess you would call it a cardigan. I have no idea, but really pretty. I know that Elizabeth and James is, I think, sold at Kohl's now, but I feel like that's not one of those pieces. I don't know. This is not like a crazy brand or anything, but this is one of the cutest pieces I've seen in a while from this brand, and this brand does cute pieces. But this is Zara Trafalux size small, and it is this like retro floral romper with like the overlay. It looks like a two-piece set, but it's a romper. Really cute detail in the back with buttons and a little opening. So I could not leave that one behind. Next up, this one is a brand I don't always pick up. It's Blank NYC pull-on leggings, size 26. And they're just like a pont material in the back, but the front is real suede leather. It's like a gray suede So cool. I know that Blank NYC, even their faux leather does well, so I was excited to see how these will do. And I'm still excited. I haven't looked them up yet. All right, next up is a Vince wool blend, super soft sweater. It is new with tags, size large, navy blue. This is an Eileen Fisher 100% merino wool sleeveless sweater, maxi or midi dress, I'm not sure. But pretty basic, plain, but really nice quality dress from Eileen. Another brand I've never picked up before. This is Amanda Uprichard, size small. It is a silk surplus blouse. Also surprised that this didn't have any stains or holes. Knock on wood that I haven't found any yet. Oh, I actually missed a piece from the first store. It was hiding. This is a sort of new with tags, standard James purse, size 4. So I feel like that's a larger size for them, but it's ruched on the sides. It's like a jersey sleeveless midi dress. As I said a couple days ago in my B&G box haul unboxing video, I like standard James purse, especially if it's new with tags. Here's another really pretty plus size dress. Lane Bryant again, size 26-28, sleeveless. I guess you'd call this tie-dye, I don't really know, or dip dye, stripe, maxi chiffon dress. I think this is a maxi dress, I believe. Next is the cutest J. Crew sweatshirt I've seen in a while. It's size small, so nothing crazy brand-wise, but look how cute this is. I don't know if I'd actually like to wear this because the flowers would probably get all up in my way, but it's so pretty. I love how bright the blue is. I don't think there are any flowers missing. I need to double check, but so pretty. I was checking the blazer section and did not expect to find this brand, but I was not disappointed. This is a Peruvian Connection cotton blend size 10 blazer jacket. Love, love, love Peruvian Connection. This is a really nice piece. Last for clothing, I have a couple pairs of shoes. I have 2 pairs of shoes. Is this really gorgeous, not new with tags, but almost might as well be. Size 14, Lily Pulitzer, one shoulder ruffle, like crochet lace or whatever. I don't know what you call this type of knit. I guess midi dress. Again, having a hard time discerning. But gorgeous, bright pink, Lily Pulitzer. I only pick up Lily if it feels or looks like a new style. Usually I'll check the style in the store. I put my faith that that dress will sell well. It's so pretty and so cute and a great size. Okay, 2 pairs of shoes and that's it. We're done. This is a pair of, again, like dainty, I keep using the word dainty, leather strappy little heels. These are size 7.5 and they have the really cool like clear block detail. So really pretty. And a pair of chunky wood block platform beaded embellished ankle tie, all the descriptors, pair of Sam Edelman sandals. I guess, I don't know, this like feels too clunky to call it a sandal, but thought they were cool. That is it, my friends. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you like this content and want to see more from me, I would super appreciate it if you hit subscribe. Let me know what your favorite piece from this haul was in the comments. Are you out at your favorite thrift stores right now? Are you still at home? Are your thrift stores closed? Are they open? Let me know what's going on down in the comments. Again, thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you again real soon.